It's Saturday, October 5th. My protest outside the UNHCR office, along with my acute forced starvation here, continues for the past 3 weeks, only 2 meals. Despite my big banner here urging support by signing a petition, help etc. With links on it, I hardly receive any help. Regardless, I also today, actually last night, made this additional sign that I will attach behind and to be seen by those who pass from behind, and also the traffic from car traffic here, because this one contains some certain phrases, some certain words, call to actions that my banner doesn't contain those. I will read them quickly and then I will install it on the tree behind, and then we'll try to also make a short video and share this urge general public for support, as I have outlined here. My slogans briefly says, save a life today, check, every meal matters, give +€5 for food, no donations, they are only harassing. Spread the word, sharing. They are covering up my situation here. Contact reps for resolution. We can contact the representatives in the government, the parliament, etc. to attend to this issue that is going on now for over a decade. Hostage taking. Find a resolution promptly now, as you see on the pavement. They even took my shelter. The last time, April 23rd was the last time that they did it. And the last slogan says, sign the petition. I will now go and install it on the tree and show you how it will look like. I also plan on making another one if necessary, because this one is going to face the other side. I will also need maybe, perhaps, I don't know, I will see, because I don't have resources. If I manage to do it, I will also make another one this size, facing to the other direction, and for maximum visibility, and see how the people will react, and if any help will be coming as a result of this. I hardly think so, because they are extremely very bad people. I'm saying this from experience, 10 years of experience. Regardless, my situation demands it, and we will see how it goes. So here it is, right behind my banner. I attached it to this tree, and visible from afar. I couldn't get something bigger. I spent 2 hours only working on this with limited resources. I have also sent yet another follow-up to the UNHCR, the Inspector General, 2 days ago, on Thursday, October 3rd. One of the points was specifically mentioning once more, highlighting, emphasizing, underscoring the lack of food, sustenance, support, even water. Here, for 3 weeks, I'm going without food. No help is coming from anywhere, no donations. And here is my yet another sign urging people for help. I already read them, what I have written over there, so we'll see if it will make any effect, any changes. The weather also if I mention it, seems, if it's going to rain, I'm still without shelter, haven't been able to raise enough funds to procure another shelter with another essentials that I will need here, most certainly. I also need to change my banner, because this one is an older one. The links on it specifically for my fundraising campaign is an older link, PayPal link. This isn't working. I need to put my fundraising campaign on it, and I don't have resources to change this. This alone will cost, without the mechanism, will cost over 30 euros, and I have no money. So I would truly appreciate any help comes my way in terms of food, donations, signing my petition, awareness, etc. And I will persist until my captivity, harrowing ordeal of captivity in this country is satisfactorily, comprehensively resolved, and I get out of this country as soon as possible and get back to my life. It's still Saturday, 5th October. It's another rainy day. Once again it's raining. Just begun. I relocated my stuff over this corner temporarily. Don't know for how long this is going to continue. Stay without shelter. 83 organizations, no help. Starving every day. Just woke up outside the UNHCR office and see what I found next to me. When I woke up, somebody put this next to me, half consumed to the end, no cup. The support. I get harassment. How much this cost? €1. They consumed it to the end without cap, placed it next to me. This is the harassment I experience, the kind of harassment that I'm experiencing, the kind of support that I'm getting here in this society all the time. Haven't had any food now for over 3 weeks. But this is it. It's Tuesday, October 15th, as I woke up, and see what I found. Somebody placed it over their car. On my banner, see what is it inside. You may think it's food, but only bread. This is the result of the harassment of these savage people, only bread inside. I will turn the camera in a moment and show you. And this is as the result of my, let's say, smaller placard that I placed it here as pleading for food. This is what I get. The ugliness of these animals. It's just unending, foreign to decency. They have no dignity, no humanity. 10 years of this humiliation continues days after day. No genuine solidarity. No real solution. Keeping people hostage, starving, persecuting, taking clothes, shelter, and this relentless humiliation. There should be somebody to tell these animals to let the captive go, to let the hostage go. What is this all humiliation is about?